All right, so I'm a little depressed today because it is the end of my 30-day YouTube challenge. And basically this challenge consisted of me posting 3 times per week for an entire month and compare the results to the previous month where I only posted 3 times for the entire month. So I literally posted 4 times the videos, and we're gonna be breaking down how much more I made, how many more views I got, how many more subscribers I got, and see whether or not it was worth it. And the tone of my voice kind of explains it all. It's shocking. I thought it was going to be a lot different. So today we're gonna break down the results on whether or not being more consistent on YouTube actually pays off. So let's get into it. All right, so let's jump into my screen and let's break down my results, whether or not I made more money being more consistent, and all of the details of this 30-day challenge. A month ago to the day, last month, I posted a video how much money I make with 20,000 subscribers. And I basically broke down the revenue, how many views, how many subscribers. I posted a total of 3 times that month. And here are my results. I made $2,000 for that month, and I posted a total of 3 times. Each video, it probably takes me a day or so to get it up and going. I mean, I have to film it, then I have to upload it, then I have my editor edit it, then I have to wait a few days, and then he sends it back, then I have to upload it, I have to put the thumbnail, the description, basically get everything all set up. So it is a tedious and time-consuming project. And that month I was out of town, and so I only posted 3 times, and my results weren't terrible. But I was kind of not super motivated to post on YouTube, and so I decided to start this 30-day challenge where I was going to post literally 4 times the amount, so 3 times per week instead of 3 times per month. And I wanted to compare the results, and honestly, they're quite shocking. So as you guys can see, this was my revenue, and this was the video, $2,000, and I posted 3 times. We'll go to another one where I had 22,000 subscribers. So at the time of me making that video, I had a total of 22,000 subscribers. I gained just over 1,500 subscribers during that month. So me posting 3 times, I gained just over 1,500 subscribers. My watch time was just under 6,000. My views was just under 50,000, and my total revenue was 2,000. So now let's dive into the results of this last month. I have literally worked more than I ever have on my YouTube channel, and we're going to see the results because honestly, they're quite shocking. But before, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, like the video, drop a comment. For those that don't know who I am, my name is Trevin Peterson. I sell on Amazon and I make YouTube videos. And this is a super interesting case study that I did. And I just kind of want to share with you guys the brutal reality of YouTube, because it is a grind, and eventually we're going to get there, but not sure when. But let's look at my channel analytics now and just kind of put that in your head. 50,000 views, just under 6,000 watch time. I gained 1,500 subscribers, and my estimated revenue was 2,000, and that was posting 3 times for that month. And now, as you guys can see, I posted a ton. Like, I literally posted at least 3 times a week, and if not, there was one week where I posted 4, and you're going to see that my estimated revenue only went up literally like $800. So not that much, like $800 for an extra, 12 videos or whatever. Like, oh man, that's a lot of time for me to make an extra $700. So that's one thing where I was kind of depressed. I was like, look, if I posted 3 times and I post 3 times per week, I could at least double it. And I wasn't even close. I $700 more. Subscribers, this is what kind of pissed me off. I only gained just over 1,400. I literally gained more subscribers the month that I posted 3 videos. Whereas when I was posting constantly, and the videos that I was posting, I literally put a lot of time and effort into it, and they were actually performed really well. They were good performing videos, but I only went up 1,400 subscribers. So that really doesn't make sense to me. And my watch time went up by 2,000 hours. So not crazy, but I mean, it's only 1.2K more than usual. And then my views, I went up, like 20,000 views, which, I mean, that's great. And obviously there is an improvement other than the subscribers. So I mean, my watch time is up, my views are up, my revenue is up, but for the amount of time and effort that I put into this, honestly, I don't know if it was worth it. And my thoughts on this is, should I be more consistent, or should I just stick to posting one time per week and invest my time into my new hobby? Like, for example, my sports cards, like maybe invest more time into that. Should I branch off and do different content? I'm mainly focused on Amazon FBA, and I'm trying to do some different content to see if we can get growth in other ways. But at this rate, posting 3 times per week, providing a ton of value, I didn't see much improvement. Now, I'm not making this video to make you feel bad for me. I just think it's really interesting to see the results of literally putting like 20 times the effort and not getting that much more results. If not, I mean, I didn't grow my subscriber count. I didn't grow as much. So it's just kind of interesting to see. And right now, let's compare my subscribers. So I now have just over 23,861 subscribers. I actually just lost a subscriber there. So that's depressing as well. And on this video, I had 22,180. So yeah, I gained about just over 1,400. And my channel analytics right here. So my revenue is 2,000. And if we go to my last like 28 days, so I kind of cheated, and I did my last 28 days from September 22nd to October 19th. Today is the 21st. And so what happens is YouTube doesn't recognize the last 2 days of payment. And so if I do like the last 28 days of full pay, it's just under $3,000. So I mean, that's a little bit of an increase, almost $1,000 increase, but still, for the amount of time and effort that I put into the videos, it's kind of interesting. And to be honest, the videos that I've posted recently have performed quite well. I mean, like this one, if I look at my analytics, this is one of my top performing videos, and it was posted 2 days ago. So maybe it will continue to take off. And maybe in a month from now, I'll start seeing the results a little bit more. And I think that's going to be the case. Is I posted a bunch of videos, and it takes some time to get some traction. And the videos that I posted a year, 2 years ago, they already have the traction, and they're almost getting more views than my new ones. So maybe here in a couple months, 3 months from now, I'll start reaping the benefits. And that's kind of the mindset that I'm going to have to keep up with this consistency. But that's just kind of the breakdown of my 30-day challenge, the results. It's kind of shocking. Tell me what you guys think. Tell me what videos you would like to see. I know I've talked about making like Tesla videos, some card videos. This is something that I've gotten into lately, is buying basketball cards. I loved it as a kid, and now I'm getting back into it. Credit cards, Amazon, real estate. What do you guys want to see? And I'm more than happy to make content, and let's see if we can continue to grow this channel and keep the momentum that we have. And again, this video was not to put pity on me or make you feel bad for me. It's just me being open and transparent of the work that goes into it to see kind of the results. Because a lot of people are like, you just need to be consistent, just be consistent. And yes, you need to be consistent, and maybe a month of consistency isn't where it's at. Maybe I need to try this for 6 months and then compare. And maybe that's what I just need to do. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to continue to upload at least 2 times per week, hopefully 3-4 times per week. And then we'll do a recap in like 6 months from now and see if we start reaping the benefits. So that is everything, just 100% transparent. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, like the video, drop a comment, subscribe to the channel. I appreciate your support, and we'll see you on the next video.